TechnoGIMP, Module 15. Build me up. Overview. Situation. Your teacher gave you an assignment to come up with a geometric design. You decided to create it using geometric shapes in XGimp. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Create geometric shapes. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app. Learn. Key terms: geometric design. A fun trend that focuses on the simplistic beauty of mixing certain shapes, lines, and curves together for creative results. PNG. The portable network graphic PNG file format is ideal for digital art, flat images, logos, and icons, and uses 24-bit color as a foundation. The ability to use a transparency channel increases the versatility of this file type. XGimp file format. The default file format of image files saved in XGimp is PNG. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app. Then tap the plus sign icon. Number 2. To create a new image, select New Image. Number 3. A dialog box will then appear. Type a name for your image, then tap Create. Number 4. The canvas will now appear with the default dimensions. Number 5. To create a square or rectangle, go to the Tools menu and select Square Rectangle. Number 6. To resize the square, drag any of its sizing handles. Number 7. To change the color of the shape, tap the Color Chooser. Number 8. The Color Chooser dialog box will then appear. Select a color for your shape, then tap Done. Tap the shape when done. Number 9. Repeat the steps to add more square shapes. Number 10. Fill the canvas with square shapes. Number 11. To create a circle or an oval, go to the Tools menu and select Circle Ellipse. Number 12. To resize the circle, drag any of its sizing handles. Number 13. To change the color of the shape, tap the Color Chooser. Number 14. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your shape. To change the opacity, tap the Color Chooser settings and decrease the alpha value by dragging its slider. Then tap Done. Tap the shape when done. Number 15. Repeat the steps to add more circle shapes. Number 16. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save.